What's up everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to learn how to know who unfollowed you on Instagram. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. Head over to your Instagram app, and once you go there, if you search for the specific person, suppose I'm searching for Sansan Mawar, and if you have followed him and if he followed you back, you might get to know that they are not following you anymore. And there is another way to get to know that. So all you have to do is go to your profile and head over to your followers section, and here you can see some of your followers that is been showing. And if the specific person is not showing in your followers list, it means they have unfollowed you on your Instagram. And that's it. This is how you can know that someone has unfollowed you. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next one.